In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Facebook. Okay, so this is very simple once we figure out how to get there. So open up the Facebook app and you need to head over to settings and privacy. So on my device, we need to go to menu in the bottom right hand corner, but you might have the menu in the top right hand corner instead. Then go to the settings icon in the top right. So once you've clicked on that, it will take you automatically to settings and privacy. Alternatively, you can scroll down and you'll see settings and privacy, and you can go ahead and then click through to settings. Either way, we need to get to settings and privacy window. We can then click Meta Accounts Center. It will then show you your profiles. So click on the profiles button. You'll then see all of the profiles you've got connected to your phone. Click on the profile you want to change the name, then go to name. And here we can change it. So you can change it once every 60 days. So I'll change it to John Frank. We'll click done. We'll click save. And there you go. We've just updated the name. And that is how you do it.